everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 27 June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news. National news. Muharram was observed across India on 26th June with schools, banks and government offices remaining closed in many states. The Southwest Monsoon continues to advance across India. The IMD has issued heavy rainfall alerts for Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat and several other states. International news. New York is set to host the Summer Fancy Food Show 2026 from 27 June, welcoming food industry experts and trade representatives from across the world. Venezuela has declared a state of emergency after two strong earthquakes struck near Caracas, prompting rescue and relief operations. Karnataka state news. Karnataka is celebrating Kempegowda Jayanti today. A state-level program will be held in Bengaluru and 15 lakh saplings will be planted across the city as part of the celebrations. Sports news. India moved closer to the Women's T20 World Cup semi-finals after defeating Bangladesh by 5 wickets. Thought of the day. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.